A CMA, or current market analysis, is one of the most important documents you guys can get after putting a house under contract. It tells you exactly what similar homes are selling for in the market. It tells you how long they took to sell, days on market, and it tells you what the property could realistically rent for. Without it, I mean, you were basically guessing at your potential profit, and guessing is exactly how I bet you've lost money on your past deals. Guys, my name is Travis Oglesby. I started investing in 2016. Since then, I flipped over 400 homes, and my single-family portfolio is 19 million and growing every month. We make about 30,000 a month in net cash flow from that portfolio, and I'm documenting my way here to 19 million. We have a simple, repeatable process, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys how we do it. Okay, so a CMA tells you whether you have a good deal or not, but what's the real benefit? So here's the thing. Most investors stop at like, oh, cool, got a deal, got equity, awesome. No, a CMA, a current market analysis, is leverage. And so if the numbers are tight, right, you now have this piece of paper, which I'm going to tell you what it is and how you get it in this video. But you now have this piece of paper that you can take it to a seller and renegotiate with them. So yeah, awesome. So if you bought a home or you put a home under contract and the deal is no good and you go get a CMA, well, boo, that stinks. But now you can take that CMA back to the seller and be able to renegotiate. If it comes back and it's even higher than what you thought, well, yay, you're going to make more money. So guys, I'm going to give away my lease option contract. It's my most requested document every time. So I'm going to start including it more in here. So wait till the end. I'll drop that in the description for you guys. So how do you get a CMA? So the way we do it is we go look at the neighborhood that the home is selling on. So like say we have 123 Main Street, it's in a neighborhood or a cul-de-sac, and I go look along that street and we see who has sold other houses in that street. And once we have those agents' information, we just call them and we say, hey, got another house on 123 Main Street that I'm looking for an agent for. They get all excited and are looking forward to selling it for you. And so what we do is say, okay, cool. Well, hey, I need a CMA or current markets analysis to make sure my numbers are right. They typically always are going to be on board with that. Okay, so awesome. Now CMA comes back. If it's good, great. If it's bad, go back and renegotiate. It works 100% of the time. It's so difficult for a seller. They can argue, we can always argue with sellers' opinions, but we can't ever argue with facts. And the CMA is a third-party validation fact provider. So use those to your advantage. You can probably even think of some other creative ways to be able to negotiate, renegotiate, and really get that house where you want it. But truthfully, we just use them to where we know exactly that we are buying the right house at the right price, and we know what we're going to make. So a lot of times whenever you guys call an agent, they might just be like, no, I won't run a CMA until we have a listing agreement, or you're going to have to pay me for it. Guys, don't mind those agents that are either seasoned or mad every day. So just continue on until you find the next agent that will want to do this for you. And so CMAs, for those of you that are scaling a company, right? A lot of you are beginners, but for those of you guys that are scaling companies, CMAs are protectant. Like whenever we were buying 15 houses a month, I can't evaluate every single house that we're doing and buying. And so I rely on our contractors' bids and CMAs. And if I have that bit of information, then I know whether we bought a good deal or not. So guys, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave me a comment here below. I'll try and answer every single one of them. Guys, my lease option agreement, it's in here. So click the link. It'll take you to the landing page. You have to put your info in, but you're going to get the contract. So, and then guys, if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.